Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are well. Today we will read the ayat number 13 of Surah Al-Baqarah. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا قيل لهم Zal pronounced softly. It pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. Qaf also pronounced boldly, pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the soft part of the palate. Aminu. Stretch the alif because it has a standing fatha. Stretch it up to two harkat. Kama. Alif also have mad, so stretch it. Amanannasu. Join the both noon because the next noon has tashdid and do gunna. Gunna means your voice comes from nose. Amanannasu qalu. Stretch the lu because it has a mad. Stretch it up to 3 alif. Qalu anu'minu. Apply a certain break on Hamza because Hamza has jazm, means it has no harkat. Anu'minu kama amana sufaha. Kama. Stretch the ma because it has a mad. Amana sufaha. Stretch the ha because it has long mad. Sufaha. Ala innahum. Stretch the lam because it also have mad, and innahum. Do gunna on noon because it has jazm and pinkle. Humus sufaha'u. Hum. Ha. This one ha pronounced from the bottom part of throat. Humus sufaha'u. Seen pronounced like a whistle sound. Walakin la ya'lamun. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.